All right, guys. Um, so what we're going to do, we're going to be doing a tic-tac-toe project, and it's a two-part project. So the first part is basically doing all of the background work so that when it comes time to write the actual game, most of the work has actually already been done. So what we're going to do, I've already written a method called drawLine, and you're going to use that drawLine method to draw these four lines that make up the board. So you're going to do that in the draw board function. Okay, so you're going to draw those four lines. Now, the trickiest part of this method is actually figuring out where to go, where you need to start Tracy so that you're dividing this equally into three columns and three rows. So that's the first thing. Let me know if you have any issues on doing the math that you need to do to figure that out. Okay. The next thing is the draw x function. Now you've seen Tracy draw an x over here. It should accept an x position, y position, and color. Um, and what you need to do is draw an x centered at that xy position. And the X needs to be the given color, which we've already done something very similar in a previous assignment. You can absolutely reuse the code from there. After you're done, I forgot to mention this. After you're done, you need to make sure that you are facing right. Okay? Um, and make sure you've picked up your pen after you're done. Then you need to do a draw O function, which is basically a circle, but the parameters will be an X position, a Y position, and a color. It's going to draw a circle, but it's centered at an XY position. So like this one is centered right here. So if you try to go to that position and draw a circle, it'll look like this, and it won't be centered at that spot. So you're going to have to figure out a way to move Tracy so that it's centered around that point that I asked you to go to. Okay. The radius should be 35. Let's see. And after you're done, go ahead, using these four functions, draw this picture that I've drawn here. You can't see the bottom there. Okay, so draw a tic-tac-toe board, draw a circle in the center of this square, draw a blue X in the center of that square, and a green X in the center of that square. Again, there's going to be some math involved here to make sure you're dead center in the square. Let me know if you need help with that math. But otherwise, that's all you need to do. You need to write the four functions and then draw this picture right here. Let me know if you need any help.